Welcome to the Licensure Library. I'm Michelle O'Regan, Licensure Specialist with the King County Regional Office of Education. One of the biggest questions our educators have, especially if they are retired, is whether or not professional development hours are required. In today's video, we're going to walk through the process of updating your PD/employment status, as well as explain why you would need to update your status. If you have retired from an Illinois public school or are no longer teaching full-time, you are not required to obtain PD hours. However, if you are teaching full-time within an Illinois public school system with an FTE of 50% or more as reported by your district, even if you have come out of retirement, you will be required to obtain professional development. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what if I'm only using my license to sub? Well, to ensure that you won't be required to obtain PD hours, you want to be sure to keep your FTE at 49% or lower, meaning you're teaching under the 120-day limit and your district is not listing you as a teacher for your position title. Working full-time or being classified as a teacher and not a sub will require you to come out of a retired status. So, what does all of this mean? Simply put, if you have retired or have not been teaching, you will need to change your PD status. This status is different from the status of your actual license, and updating it will lower the amount of required PD hours needed in order to renew your license. This also must be done prior to a renewal. To do this, look in the upper right-hand corner of your ELLIS account above your profile box. You will find a little icon that looks like a paper pencil. Once you click on this icon, you will see a drop-down menu appear. Please select Update your PD/employment status by clicking on the hyperlink within the menu. Now, on the next screen, go to the drop-down arrows per semester and change the status from active to exempt for all semesters. If you have retired, please select Illinois State Teacher/Government System Retiree, as this eliminates the need for professional development and also waives the registration fee. It is important to note that if you have not officially retired and instead simply stopped working, please do not select this option. You must select exempt as you are still required to pay the fee. Once you have all of the semesters changed, scroll down and click Finish on the bottom right. Now, under the Educator tab, click on Professional Development. This will show you the updated number of hours, if any, that are required to renew your license. Your hours required should now say 0, or they should be significantly reduced. Now, let's go over some frequently asked questions. Question 1. Do I need to change every semester to exempt or retired? The answer to that is yes. Any semester listed as active will require you to obtain and enter PD hours in order to process your renewal. Question 2. But I want to or I'm still teaching. Don't I need to be listed as active? Updating this status does not affect your employment, and as long as your license is listed as issued, you are able to work. Question 3. I've updated my status, however, not all 5 fiscal years are exempt or retired. How can I satisfy this requirement? If you show PD hours required, you can enter past PD hours, contact your district to obtain PD hours, enroll in a PD course from an ISB list of approved providers, or contact your local ROE for options. To register for workshops at the King County ROE, please visit our website at kaneroe.org/professional learning. And as always, for additional questions, please contact your local regional office of education.